凌晨3點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨3點，颱風泰利集結喺香港以南約280公里，即係北緯19.8度、東經113.7度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約18公里，大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶，並繼續增強。受泰利影響，本港普遍吹強風，離岸海域及高地吹烈風。按照現時預測路徑，泰利會喺未來數小時最接近香港，喺本港以南300公里內掠過。本地風力會進一步增強，南部風勢較大，預料烈風會持續一段時間。8號烈風或暴風信號至少維持至早上7點，隨後8號信號會否持續維持，將取決於本地嘅風力嘅變化，以及泰利雨帶嘅相關陣風會否持續影響本港。市民早上請留意最新嘅天氣消息。受泰利帶嚟嘅風暴潮及天文大潮嘅共同影響，沿岸低洼地區早上可能出現淹浸，市民請盡早完成防風、防水浸嘅措施。海有大至非常大浪及有湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、大老山及橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時80、75及69公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時109、103及79公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
3 o'clock in the early morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is now in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 3 a.m., Typhoon Ta Lim was centered about 280 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 19.8 degrees north, 113.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula and Hainan Island, and continue to intensify. Under the influence of Ta Lim, strong winds prevail over Hong Kong, with gales over offshore waters and on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Ta Lim will be closest to Hong Kong in the next several hours, skirting within 300 kilometers south of Hong Kong. Local winds are expected to strengthen further. Winds will be stronger over the southern part of the territory, and the gales will persist for a period of time. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force before 7 a.m. Whether the signal number 8 will remain in force thereafter will depend on the changes in local wind strength and how persistent the gusts associated with the rain bands of Ta Lim will affect Hong Kong. The public should take note of the latest weather information this morning. Under the combined effect of the storm surge brought by Ta Lim and the spring tide, there may be flooding in coastal low-lying areas in the morning. Members of the public should complete precautionary measures against high winds and flooding as soon as possible. Seas are rough to very rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngongping, Tate's Cairn, and Weglan Island were 80, 75, and 69 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 109, 103, and 79 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。